Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today I want to talk about how easy it is to break in your door. I talked a little bit about this in my last video, things you should know about your house but probably don't. And I had a lot of questions about it, so I wanted to do a dedicated video to this specifically. If this is your first time here, I'm so happy to have you. I make videos teaching people about their houses and how to fix them when something goes wrong. If that interests you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can see what I'm doing at any time. It wouldn't take much for a bad guy to have access to your home, but we can take care of that. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Now, when contractors and carpenters install pre-hung doors with the jamb, they install the locks. Now, the screws that come in these locks are super small. Anybody can come through. It's not gonna take much for someone to be in your home and have access to all your valuables. Share this with your friends and your family, heck, anybody that you care about, and even with your boss. Your boss, win some favor with him. If any of your friends and family come to you and say, oh my gosh, my house was just broken into and robbed last night, you're gonna have to tell them that you've seen this video and you know about it. That's gonna be awkward. Do yourself a favor and them, share it with them now. Now, the whole security of your door rests in these two catch plates. This is the catch plate for when your door is just shut, and this is the catch plate for when your door is shut and deadbolted. A really simple, cheap fix for this is just to pull out these tiny screws and put in a decent sized 2.5-inch screw. Now, these can be drywall screws or wood screws, just whatever you have. It's gonna add a lot more girth and strength to the door. Homes are broken into all the time. Fortifying your door jamb is just a smart move. My deadbolt catch and the safety of my family is resting on this screw. No thanks. Now they're secure. May as well check the front door too. Ridiculous. So that's it. Easy. We rocked it, took out those tiny 1/2-inch screws, put in nice 2.5-inch screws. Now, anybody who tries to come in this house is gonna have to make some serious noise. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.